right now, everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay. You have more power than you like to give yourself credit for. Maybe you have something that's going on in your life right now that's...
So I'm at the store now. I want to pack my orders and send out. Then a friend of mine is coming with her friend for a makeup, wants me to do their makeup. So yeah, I have a makeup job today. I will be doing it at the store because yeah, I can't go to their place because I'm busy at the store. So it's just better for them to come here and I'll do it. And yeah, so I'll try and film it. I don't know. I will try and film short clips of me doing their makeup, just for you guys to see. Yeah, don't forget to like the video, guys, and share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay.
took away your pain and you let me feel so safe. Pushing on my buttons tonight. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me what we can't, we could run the track.